The Olympus OMD E-M1 Mark II has many great features, and one of them can be found right here on the side of the camera, and it's the dual card slots. The top slot is slot number 1 and the lower slot is slot 2. Both of them are for the SD type memory cards, but the top slot has a big advantage. Slot 1 is compatible with the newer, faster USH-II memory cards. If you've got one of those, that's the slot to use. If you have a standard SD card, you can use either slot and just shoot away. But if you've got two memory cards, pop them both in and you open up a whole new world of options. To access those options, you just press the menu button, then go to Custom Menu, go across and down to H1, across to Card Slot Settings, and here you can choose the default slot for your memory card as either 1 or 2. I'm going to leave mine on 1. I'm going to go back up to Save Settings and then go across, and here is where I get to choose what gets written to the dual cards. The first one is Standard. Now I've chosen slot 1, and when the card in slot 1 becomes full, that's it, I'm done. Even if the card in slot 2 has spare space, I'll still get the card full sign. So the next one might be more useful. Auto Switch. When the card in slot 1 is full, the camera automatically starts writing to the card in slot 2. Dual Independent with a little down arrow allows you to write, say, RAW to one card and JPEG to the other. I'll show you how to do that in just a little bit. And when either card becomes full, that's it, you're done. Next we have Dual Independent with an up arrow. It does the same thing, different formats to different cards, but when one card fills, it'll keep writing to the other card, which means of course you may lose the format you really wanted. Next we have Dual Same with a little down arrow. This writes the same images to each card, effectively making them a backup of each other, but when either card becomes full, that's it, you're done. Dual Same with an up arrow will mean exactly the same thing, keep writing backups to each card, but when one card fills, it'll just keep going with the other card, which is great, but of course you do lose your backup that way round. The quickest and easiest way to choose your still or video format that gets saved onto your memory card is to press the OK button to bring up the live super control panel. In my case, I'm going to set for still images, so I'm going to go down to slot number 1, press OK again, and then choose the format that I want. Now if you've chosen the dual independent option, you can press OK again, go back to the live super control panel, go down to slot number 2 and choose a totally different file format to save on that card. So whether you need the safety of dual same recording or the space of auto switch, the Olympus OMD E-M1 Mark II has got you covered. I'm Gavin Hoey, thanks for watching.